Hello everyone, welcome to this ArcGIS tutorial. In this video, we will learn about creating composite bands, satellite image classification, which will involve image classification toolbar, trained random trees classifier, and classify raster. So let's explore in the software now. First, let's bring every band image of Landsat 9. Go to image analysis, select all, click composite band, and we can see the result. Now we can do the same using composite bands tool. Search for it, select all the bands and input, set the output raster, click OK, and we can see the result. We can change the band symbology for better understanding using false color concepts. Now bring the image classification toolbar. Go to Training Sample Manager. Now let's start drawing polygon for different training samples for different classes like water, barren land, cloud. First, let's start collecting samples for water. Draw 10 polygons. After drawing, select all the classes and use Merge Training Sample to merge them into one class. Name it as water. Now let's perform the same for greenery, barren land and cloud accordingly. Now export the classes in a shapefile. Click on Interactive Supervised Classification to load the result. After doing all this, let's change the symbology for better understanding. We can do this classification in another way. Now go to Train Random Trees Classifier. Here input will be Landsat composite image. Add the shapefile of training samples. Set the output with .ecd extension and click OK. Now go to Classify Raster, input the composite raster, input the .ecd file as classifier definition file, set the output and click OK. Now we can see the result. We can change the symbology for better understanding and comparison. In this way we can classify satellite image. Now let's repeat the whole process while practicing with Landsat 9 image where we will show built and non-built area. Bring the raster, we can see nothing now. Now go to symbology in properties. In RGB composite, select the stretch type as percent clip, and now we can observe the image in a better way. Now go to image classification toolbar. Go to Training Sample Manager and start collecting samples, drawing polygons as done previously. Finally, merge the training samples into two classes, builds and non-builds area, and save as shapefile. Now go to Train Random Trees Classifier, input the raster and the training sample, set the output and click OK. Now go to Raster Classify tool, input the raster, enter the .ecd file, set the output and click OK. Now we can see our results. So this was all from today's video. Thank you everyone for watching till the end. Hope this tutorial will be useful to you.